Question 10. A rectangular wall vent is 30 centimetres long and 10 centimetres wide. It's to be enlarged by increasing both the length and the width by x centimetres. So 30 is being increased by x, so that'll be 30 plus x, and it'll be 10 plus x for the width. The area is length times breadth. We've got the length, we've got the breadth. So area is 30 plus x multiplied by 10 plus x. So we multiply out the brackets, you get 300, 30x, 10x, and x squared. So we put x squared first, 30x and 10x is 40x, and then 300. And that's what we're asked to do, to find that out. Okay, so the area of the new vent must be at least 75% more than the original area. The original area is 30 by 10, so the area was 30 by 10 equals 300 square centimetres. So our new area, it's a 75% increase. That's 100% plus 75% is 175. As a decimal is 1.75. Timesing by 300 gives us 525 square centimetres. So our new area with this equation here is 525 equals x squared plus 40x plus 300. Now we've got to find the dimensions of the new vent, so to do that we need to know what x is, so we can work out 30 plus x and 10 plus x. So to solve an equation of this form, you need to have it equal to 0. It's not, so we've got to subtract 525 from both sides. We can then solve it. There's a variety of ways you could do it. You could solve it algebraically, but we're going to use the quadratic equation because it is a calculator paper, this one, so it's a bit easier to do that. So A equals 1, B equals 40, C equals negative 225. And again, it's this equation we're going to use. So we'll substitute all the numbers in. So let's tidy up the discriminant. 40 squared is 1,600. Negative, negative is going to give you a plus here, and that's going to make 900 over 2. So it's negative 40 plus or minus root 2,500 over 2. Now 2,500 square rooted is just 50. So if we add 50, that is 10 over 2, which is 5, and if we subtract 50, we get negative 45. Now, this one makes sense because we can say 30 plus x would be 35, 10 plus x would be 15, whereas negative 45 doesn't make sense because otherwise it would be 30 plus negative 45 would give us a length of negative 15. That doesn't make any sense there. So we have to pick the relevant one, it's that one, and not this one. So then we can go back and say 30 plus x is 30 plus 5. Squeeze it in here. So 30 plus x equals 30 plus 5 equals 35 centimetres, and that is my length. And the width is 10 plus x, which is 10 plus 5 equals 15 centimetres. So we've got our length and our width, those are the dimensions of the new vent.